part 1. Got a Mini Mite here that I inherited. This is obviously an older model. It doesn't have the brush, and it never came with the blade guard. And I modeled and 3D printed one. Now, I've obviously printed this a little bit thin. It has no real strength, but it's more of a check of dimensions. And so far, it looks like it's going to work out. Obviously, just need to print it thicker, but it'll sit right there. And my model, the full model, has a little bit of a part that comes down the back that should wrap and tie in or sit on this, so it'll be more stable. And we'll see if maybe this can stay in place. Even pushing the jaws all the way up, it won't actually push this out of the way. And even if it did, the mounting flange, which I don't have a hole in yet, has plenty of length for adjustment, and I'll probably actually leave it as a slot for adjustment. But and then the 3D printing is super neat. You know, unfortunately, I got more material here in the internal support than I do in the prototype cover.